Hello guys and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to add Oberlo to Shopify. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser in your PC, laptop, or Mac, and then open myshopify.com in that internet browser and make sure you have already logged in as well so that it would be easier to follow along the tutorial. Once you're already here on My Shopify, click on the search bar. This time, go and click Apps first. Now click on the first option that appears. This will lead you to app.shopify.com. In here, look for DSers AliExpress Dropshipping. Just click on the icon. Once you are here, click on the button that says Add App. Now wait for the website to finish fully loading once again. This might take some time, but don't worry, I'm still here waiting with you guys. Once the website has fully loaded, all you have to do is click on the Install App on the upper right, and then in here, you will now be opening another tab, which is dsers.com. Now wait for the website to finish fully loading again. In here, register yourself. Now create a DSers account. First, input your email. Once you're done with your email, input your password. If you already made an account for DSers, all you have to do this time is log in by inputting your email and then your password. Once you have created your account, you're all good to go. And just log in over here. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.